Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Merge Mansion game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Merge Mansion game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner and then use your Google, your Facebook or your Supercell ID to log in. Once you have been logged into your account, you can continue playing right where you left off previously. Now, if you wish to delete your account that is associated with your game, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and if you're logged in with the respective account that you want to delete, from the settings menu tap on support at the bottom right. You will now find the delete account option, which you can tap on, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Tap on the delete account button once again, and your account will be deleted. However, you will still have 7 days until your account is deleted. So if you change your mind, then you can log back in within 7 days and your account will be restored once again. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on the Merge Mansion game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.